CNN projects Tallahassee Mayor Andrew Gillum will win the Democratic nomination for governor of Florida.
Yeah, Florida elections are always competitive, and this is a guy who, although he's much too liberal for Florida, I think he's got huge problems with how he's governed Tallahassee. He is an articulate spokesman for those far left views, and he's a charismatic candidate. And I watched those Democrat debates. None of that was my cup of tea, but I mean, he performed better than the other people there. So we've got to work hard to make sure that we continue Florida going in a good direction. Let's build off the success we've had on Governor Scott. The last thing we need to do is to monkey this up by trying to embrace a socialist agenda with huge...
What does that mean to you?
Well, I'll try to be articulate, Chris, and simply say that kind of vitriol, and he's apparently given up the whistle. They've gone to the bullhorn with these kinds of tactics, but they're not going to work. We tried this one time. Donald Trump, this is a page from his playbook, basically tried to divide this country and my state. And I want them to know that Florida voters are smarter than that, that we are going to reject the politics of separation.
You don't agree with his campaign statement? You are known for speaking truth to power. You took on the state as a mayor in Tallahassee. Now you're going at Trump directly on Twitter. Why poke the bear?
Well, in fairness, he poked me. We just wanted to let him know we're prepared to poke back. This president, it appears, gets off on intimidating and pushing people around, but I want him to know he's met his match. We're not here to be pushed around, not here in the state of Florida. And largely because the folks in this state are focused on the issues that matter. We want to make sure that folks get access.
I believe that we can win. Let me hear you say, I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. I believe that we will win. Listen, y'all, I believe we can do it. Anybody else believe we can do it? Anybody else truly believe we can do it? So let's get out there and vote, let's vote, let's vote, let's vote, because when we vote, we win. My name is Andrew Gillum. I'm the mayor of Florida, capital city, and with your support, your organizing, your prayers, and most importantly, your vote, I will be the next governor of the state of Florida. God bless you. God bless everybody.
When the sharpest words want to cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.